Hi everyone, my name is Gwen. I'm the creator of this channel. Welcome! With me you can find cosmetic and cold process soap recipes and candle making process. For this last episode of this year's Halloween collection, 4 movies for 4 ideas for Halloween, I'm making 4 bubble baths with a slime consistency on the theme of Harry Potter. Each paw depicting Hogwarts house. I wanted to add a little something here. So in France, we don't say Hogwarts, we say Poudlard. For the Harry Potter house Gryffindor, on dit Gryffindor. We say Gryffindor. Hufflepuff is Pouf Souffle. Ravenclaw is Serre d'Aigle, and Slytherin is Serpentard. So each house will be colored and scented differently from the other. Gryffindor is red with gold glitter and is scented with Cauldron Delight from the Smellingood store. Hufflepuff is yellow with silver glitter and is scented with Hypnotic from the Aromat'Easy store. Ravenclaw is blue with gold glitter and is scented with Witching Hour from the same store. Slytherin is green with silver glitter and is scented with Witch Spell from the Smellingood store. I took one of my bubble bath recipes and modified it slightly so that the consistency was thick enough to keep the decoration suspended and gooey enough for my nephew to play with. Some decorations are not biodegradable, so I will recommend to you and to my sister to block the bathtub drain with a filter so that she and you can catch the glitter before it hits the drain. I will make a base which I will then divide into four parts, which I will color and perfume. I've already prepared my ingredients. Water, sweet almond oil and the 3 surfactant will go to the bain-marie. Once the surfactant will be melted, I will mix and leave to cool completely before adding the rest of the... So the conservative and the acid lactic. And mixing again. At this step, I will need to separate my mixture into equal spots, color them and add the fragrance oil. All of them will have the same cocktail of glitters with a gold or silver base. I will leave you with the video. I always use a small spatula or spoon to scoop up the product, limiting the penetration of water and therefore bacteria. Made in good hygienic condition and protecting from heat and humidity, your preparation can be stored for approximately 6 months. I really like the result, and you, what do you think? I'm going to leave them alone for a few days, then add their label made on Canva and take a photo of them. You can find my recipe and links in the description box. If you want to see similar recipe, you can find what you're looking for in my previous videos. I hope you enjoyed this one. You can find me here on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok if you have any question for me. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye.